Hey Anushka, welcome back to my another video of your SST class. So today we will be covering the second chapter from your SST first term, and the name of this chapter is The Story of Old Stone Age. In the previous class we have completed the concept of a timeline, and today we will be encountering a new chapter. So before beginning of this chapter, let me get a quick revision for you, that is about the timeline. Because this is the very new or fresh subject to you, I know this will be a little bit of scary or tough to you, but don't worry, it's a kind of history. Okay, so just go with the flow, don't worry about it, it will be all easy to you. So yeah, previously we have done about the timeline chapter, like how the time or how the calendar came into existence, and then how the times were divided according to BCs and ADs. So these and that were there. So today we will be discussing about the Old Stone Age, means when slowly the humans are evolving, coming out. Yeah. So the first ever stone, means the first ever age was the Old Stone Age. Okay. But yeah, before Old Stone Age there was also an age that is called the Ice Age. So that is not there in your chapter, so we will not discuss about that. Let's get into this particular term, Old Stone Age. So in this particular chapter we will be discussing about the evolving of humans, what type of lifestyle they used to have, how they used to spend their days and nights, and the things which they used to use, their food, their clothing, everything will be included. Okay, so let's start. So people who lived more than 10,000 years. People who lived more than 10,000 years ago belong to the Old Stone Age, which falls under the prehistoric period. Okay, so here it has been said that people who survived more than 10,000 years, previously it was like that people had a long lifespan. Okay, they used to live for thousands of years. So those time they used to have some kind of, means what type of gene they used to have, we will discuss it, not about the genes but their lifestyle. So according to their lifestyle they used to live for a very long time. Yeah, so previously the people who belong to Old Stone Age, they lived for more than 10,000 years. The term Stone Age is used because tools made of stone were mainly used in this period. We have an idea of how their lives might have been as archaeologists have studied their paintings, tools, bones and jewelry and recorded the observations for our benefit. So the term Stone Age is used because people who used to live in this particular time, they used to use tools particularly made out of stone, because that time the people who used to live, they didn't know much about things. They were very much new to this earth. So whatever they came across in front of them, they used to grab it. Like the stones were vastly available at that time, so they used to make tools from those stones. And how come we know all these things about that, whether there were any early humans were there in our earth or not? We came to know this thing just because of the archaeologists, because archaeologists excavated or studied about these things, and from there they discovered the bones, the tools, the paintings or other things from those time, and we came to know about their existence. Next, tools and weapons. Now, what type of tools and weapons early humans used to use? Life for early humans was full of dangers. They often faced many dangerous wild animals. They learned to use sharp stones as weapons to keep away these animals. They used these stones to dig up roots to eat. They also learned to make tools and weapons from stones and bones of animals. These tools helped early humans to hunt, fish and cut the raw meat of animals. So, the tools and weapons the early humans used were made out of stones, that we all know. Just because that time the life of early humans was very much dangerous, because there were wild animals all around them, because they didn't have any homes to stay to keep away the wild animals. So that time it was very dangerous for them to live in beside those wild animals. So what they did is they used to make weapons out of the stones, and through those stone weapons they used to scare the animals, and also to hunt them, means the animals. They hunt the animals and eat their skin, their meat and flesh, because and as in raw, because that time they don't know how to cook. So previously they used to eat the raw meats of animals. Next comes life in the old Stone Age, their lifestyle. Home and family. Millions of years ago, our earth was a different place. Most parts of the world were covered by ice. Okay? The animals were much bigger and ferocious looking. Ferocious means dangerous. So if you compare our earth of this time to that millions of years ago time, then you will find a vast difference, because there were no kind of convenience were there. People of the early age sorry, they didn't have much facilities like we have now. So the lifestyle was kind of saddening, because the animals were much more bigger in size at that time and much more dangerous also. So to keep them away from the human beings, the early humans used to make stones, weapons and scare them out. The old Stone Age humans did not stay in one place but wandered about from place to place. Wandered means to roam around. Means they never used to stay at one particular place. They used to roam. They used to change their homes, from one cave to another cave, one cave to another cave. Yeah, because that time they didn't have any brick built houses, so that time they used to stay in caves. But wandered about from place to place in search of warmer climate and food, animals to hunt. Means just not to hunt animals but also to stay warm, because some places get their winter earlier and some places get their summer afterwards, so the climate changes particularly in particular places. So to cope up with that climate, they used to roam around and also to gather food. They were nomads or wanderers. That's why the early humans were also known as nomads or wanderers. Life was difficult and tough. People lived in groups and helped one another. A group of families living together was called a clan or a band. So they used to live together in a group, and that group was used to call as a clan or a band. The food they used to have. Initially, the people did not know about fire or its use. They also did not know how to farm. They ate raw meat and fruits and berries. When there were no more plants and animals left in an area, they moved to newer places in search of food. They used stones to cut meat and dig out roots. They made tools which were blunt, heavy and crude. Blunt means not sharp and crude means raw. So what they used to have that time, because that time they didn't know the use of fire, so they used to eat raw meat, fruits from trees and berries also. And when in a particular place where they were staying, if there no animals or foods were available, so that time they leave that place. They used to leave that place and move or shift to another place where they could find food and a place to live in for a comfortable, it means in a comfortable weather condition. Writing. The system of writing had not yet emerged. Not yet emerged means not yet started. Therefore, we have no recorded history of this period. So that time those people were not that much literate. Not that much means what? They were not at all literate. They didn't know how to read and write. So that's why we humans, we have no recorded history of those particular early humans. Next, their occupation. Early humans did not know farming or how to grow food crops. They hunted small animals. Hunted means killed. They hunted small animals with stones and dug pits to trap the big wild ones. Pits means hole. To trap big wild animals. Trap means to catch. When the animal fell into the pit, it was stoned and killed with crude tools. It was then skinned and the raw meat was eaten. Early humans also gathered or collected plant roots, fruits, seeds, nuts, insects, etc. for food. They were therefore known as hunter-gatherers. So early humans were also known as hunter-gatherers. Means firstly they used to hunt down animals by digging up a large hole and killing the animals with sharp blunt stones, and then they trap the animals, and afterwards a particular amount they needed to have, they will eat it, and the rest animals they will gather for their future purpose. Or else also, means not only animals, they used to collect, means gather fruits, berries, the seeds, nuts, insects, whatever they had at that particular time, they used to gather as their food for future purpose. The clothes they used to wear. Next, people wore clothes made of skins of animals. Sometimes they also used clothes made from woven grass and even from bark of trees. Woven means stitched. So the clothes of the early humans were quite interesting, right? They used to make stitched grass or stitched bark of trees into a skirt or a flared skirt, and they used to wear it to cover their body parts. And also they used to wear skins of animals also. Yeah. People in the old Stone Age built houses from sticks covered with animal skins and branches of trees. So slowly they were learning how to make houses. So instead of living inside the caves, they used to make houses from sticks covered with animal skins and branches of tree. See the pictures here. Early humans used pits for capturing animals. See, early humans used caves for shelter. This is the cave, and the clothes they used to wear. See the clothes. Next, travel. The old Stone Age people traveled long distances on foot, because that time no Mercedes or BMW were available, right? So they have to walk long distances to cover some places. Then they learned to make simple rafts to cross rivers and used their hands as oars. Rafts means this kind of boats made of bamboos and tied with the ropes. And oars means the paddles they used to ride with, means to row the rafts with. So they used to travel long distances on their foot or only. Afterwards they slowly learned to make rafts, means a kind of boats, to cover or to travel. Stone Age shelters. People living in the Stone Age did not have houses like we do now. They climbed up and lived in the trees to protect themselves from wild animals. Later they started using caves as shelter. These caves protected them from the cold, rain and the sun. At times they made huts with animal skins also. At times they made huts with animal skins also. So firstly they used to live on the branches of the tree. Later on they started living in caves, and then afterwards they used to make houses, small huts made of animal skins and branches of trees. Cave paintings. Now what is this cave painting? Let us read. The early humans made paintings and drawings on the walls of the caves in which they lived. Interesting, huh? Most of the paintings were about the early people hunting animals. The colors used in these paintings are still quite bright and vivid. Vivid means deep. Vivid means deep. Some archaeologists believe that these paintings were a form of recreation. Recreation means their leisure time, means their playtime, means like we used to pass our time by playing or by surfing on computer, by listening to music. But that time they didn't have this much of facilities, so how they used to spend their time? By drawing. However, other archaeologists say that these paintings had a religious meaning. So see, this is quite interesting, huh? See, they didn't know how to read and write, but they knew very well, they knew very well how to draw. See the drawings here? So much lively, no? It looks like this kind of means what? Interesting to you all people, no? Because it attracts me a lot, because those people who didn't know how to read and write, they could able to draw in such a pro manner that anyone could get awestruck by seeing their pictures. So through these pictures, through these paintings, archaeologists discovered the early humans and their lifestyle also. But some of the archaeologists used to say, used to say that these paintings they used to draw or paint that depicted or that had a meaning of religious life. So that will be a debative part, so I am not going into that. Let us go through the next para. Discovery of fire. Now slowly the early humans were learning how to use fire. Life in the old Stone Age improved considerably with the discovery of fire. With the discovery of fire. When early humans learned to use fire, they became stronger than other creatures. It was a turning point in human history. Forest fires were common in those days, and thus the early humans had their first experience of fire. They found out that animals were scared of fire. They also learned that fire could keep them warm. They probably kept the fire splinter. Fire splinter means like a bonfire, burning at the mouth of the cave to keep away wild animals. They also took utmost care to ensure that the fire did not die down. Later on, they learned how to light a fire on their own by striking two flint stones. Flint stones means small pebbles or dry pieces of wood. Fire enabled early humans to roast meat, and they stopped eating raw flesh. It also lit up their caves in the evening. So by this discovery of fire, their life changed a lot. See, they discovered so many more things. Like what? Like, see, first of all, the fire made the early humans much more stronger than the wild animals, because the wild animals were scared of fire. So that was a plus point for the humans, means early humans, to scared of the animals. And just because that time the maximum earth covered with forests, and that's why the forest fire was most common at that particular time. So they used to burn, means what? They used to burn fire splinter or a bonfire in front of the cave to keep away the wild animals from getting inside the cave. And also they used to eat meat not as raw but by roasting it on fire. So this is how the early humans were improving themselves from that position to this position, because that at first they didn't know anything much about fire. Not much, they didn't know anything about fire. They used to live on branches of trees. Slowly they learned, slowly they moved from trees to caves, and then they learned how to make houses, right? Then similarly they used to eat raw meat. Afterwards, when the fire came into existence, they started eating roasted meat instead of raw animals. So this is how the early humans grown up in sense, means to from that barbaric life to a humanful life. So yeah, this is a short story, this is short history that has been given into your SST book as the Old Stone Age. So just go through this chapter, and if you get stuck in somewhere, just let me know, then I'll help you out about this chapter. And so yeah, then we have completed this chapter also, means reading of this chapter, and in the next class I will give you the exercises. Okay, take care.